This is the future of advertising. The AI tool I'll show you in this video now generate high-quality ads for any product in minutes. You can pick any actor with any outfit. All you need is just 3 images. In this video, I'll show you how to use Pollo AI to generate ads from images, and this will blow your mind. Welcome back to Ray Creators Lab, where we discuss everything about AI tools that would help you streamline your everyday workflow. I have compiled a list of AI tools for creators, so make sure you check them out in the link below. Pollo just launched its latest feature, Consistent Character Video. Now you can keep 3 key elements in video consistent, even the subtle details of your product like logo. Follow this tutorial step by step to get the better results. To use Pollo AI, I have included the link in the description below. Sign up and start creating your videos. Once you have signed up with Pollo AI, go to the home page and choose Consistent Character Video. Now, prepare your 3 images. Make sure all 3 images are clean and high resolution. Also ensure the items are clear and frontal view. For the image sequence, put the most important item in the front to get better result. In my demo, I put the actor first. When you write your prompt, make sure you follow the sequence of the image. For the settings, choose your aspect ratio, video length, resolution, and motion range. Note that the bigger the motion, the more error.
Elegant solutions for professional women.